Welcome to another travel edition of Great Health, Abundant Happiness, and Outrageous Love.
Hello, Jeffrey.
Hello, sorry.
Welcome to my home from last night. It's fun having a different home every night, isn't
I know, exactly. So where are we exactly? We're in South Bend, right? Indiana.
We are in South Bend, Indiana, and this is the Residence Inn, South Bend, Indiana. So, again, we always have to qualify that this is a Residence Inn, so lower tier, and this is actually a much older hotel. I don't know how old, but I can tell from our years of traveling that this is dated. These tables, I don't believe that they may have updated the table, but you can see that the furniture needs a little bit of a refresher. The carpet needs a little bit of a refresher. And with that, I'll get right into the cleaning.
Yeah, let's go. I want to go to the 5 pearl rating. So first of all, just keep you on track. It's the location.
The location, I would give the location 4.5 pearls.
Well, it's great because it's right off the highway. We were kind of blasting through, so this is a great stop for us.
Right. It's about 5 or 6 miles off the highway. Not a big deal, but not right on the highway. Otherwise, we'd get 5 pearls. So 4.5 pearls for location. But then there's plenty around here if you need to pick up a Chipotle or something like that for dinner. There's a Whole Foods very close by, which is always a winner for us. We did review a Thai restaurant that was all vegan, and we were so excited it was all vegan. But after eating, we quickly discovered that they use a lot of MSG. Both Jeffrey and I could feel it, and that is not good. When you're trying to eat healthy, the last thing you want is MSG in your food.
I do have the leftovers though in case I get tired driving. It's kind of like a pick-me-up. So anyway,
right.
Come on, let me do a quick blow through here.
Yeah, I was just going to go get right to housekeeping. So Savannah's our housekeeper, and again, the place is old, the bathrooms are, everything's old, but as far as how well she cleaned this, I'm giving her 5+ pearls. She did a beautiful job, and thank you for
the
that.
carpet looks great. Like maybe they redid it, so they probably refreshed a few things.
They could. This is one of my pet peeves when they have this dirty grout.
Okay. Because
there is it's a higher quality, more expensive grout. So if you're ever redoing a bathroom at your home, get it, because it is stain resistant grout, and it's worth the extra money because it looks so fresh forever. It just looks old and dirty.
So the bathroom, the one thing I noticed this morning is very tight in here. Like when you shut this door to go in and shower, you can barely shut it. But I'll tell you one thing I do love is this picture. It just gives me a bright, cheery feeling when I go in there. Is the bathroom.
No, Jeffrey literally had me come in there to look at the picture, and there's another one in the kitchen that's of a walkway to on a train track with beautiful colored fall leaves.
It's absolutely gorgeous.
It is.
I do have to say, look at the sun hitting. I just had the window open, sitting in the sun because it's December. There was some geese landing across the street here, and that lawn is low ponds. So it's kind of cute. You gotta make it great wherever you are. So I'm just enjoying the morning here.
Exactly.
But with that being said, so quietude and sleep.
Quietude and sleep. Now, Jeffrey, you actually woke me up. I don't know what time it was to ask me if I heard that. Something that you heard in the hallway.
Well, it was like 3 o'clock in the morning. There were some big fire trucks out there, not with sirens going, but just the lights going. So I woke up to that.
And then something else you mentioned in the hallway.
Well, that was like a leaf blower. I don't know what that was. I was getting ready to get dressed to go out and see what's going on at 3:30 a.m.
That's right. It was 3:30, and you said, I think they're vacuuming. Anyway,
I don't know what it was.
I didn't hear it. So it's very possible Jeffrey was having a little dream. And
No.
Anyway, I'm going to give quietude. Because of that, I have to ding him. So I'll give him 4.5 pearls on quietude. I didn't hear anything outside or inside. And then as far as the bed quality, it's a Residence Inn.
Yep.
What do you expect? You're not going to have fret sheets. You're not going to have really high quality pillows. It was just fine.
Yep.
I'd give it a 4.
Yep. I was able to lay my head down and get some sleep, so I'm happy about that.
Exactly. The staff, before we get to coffee, that's the highlight here. Normally I would say, this place is really dated, but clean, but very dated. But the staff is so phenomenal that I would come back just because of the staff. Every single person from last night when we checked in, there were 2 incredible ladies there. To this morning, I asked somebody in the kitchen area a couple of questions, and she was just so happy to help me. And then I needed a Band-Aid at the front, and that gal was equally as welcoming. It's a very, very welcoming place.
Yes.
So if you're just doing a stopover and, you know, driving through, putting your head down, this is a really nice spot to come because the staff is wonderful. And I hope they'll do an upgrade because the staff deserves to have a prettier place.
Yeah, and the coffee, just to kind of finish it up, was there. This level of hotel, they have coffee. I don't know if it's 24/7, but it's down there when I get up early in the morning. I love that. We're gonna hit this gorgeous road. We're gonna head towards Pennsylvania today. I don't know exactly where we'll stop. We're on our way to the Hamptons, but it will be, I think we're gonna stop in State College, Pennsylvania. There's a pizza place I wanna hit tonight.
All right. Vegan pizza place. I'm all about it. Wishing you great health, abundant happiness, and outrageous love from South Bend, Indiana, where Notre Dame is.
Beautiful.